Good morning, Prayagraj. Finally, I could made it to Prayagraj.
So right now I'm in front of in the market. Yesterday Trichur has lost his. It's 12 in the afternoon and we are off to take the holy dip. Guys, we are entering Sangam area.
Good morning, Prayagraj. Finally, I could made it to Prayagraj, and currently I am staying in one of the residence room who is renting out for Mahakumbh days. I got to know about this place from one of my friend who is staying here. So I came all the way from Bangalore to here by road solo, covering 1790 kilometers in the span of 2 days. For today, the plan is to go and take a dip, explore the areas and experience it. I try to cover as much as possible and try to show you the vibes over here for which I came mainly. And with me, I have my childhood friend Trichur, who has joined me from Calcutta with his wife, and we are all set to explore the unexplored. It's a lifetime journey. It's happening after 140 years. On 144 years, that's why it's called Mahakumbh. Last night I slept around 3 o'clock at night, but I woke up around 7 o'clock because of the excitement. Currently I am at the terrace of that room, I would say, not a hotel, and just trying to see and experience and feel the holy city as of now. So Prayagraj is now basically most hot and trending city because of Mahakumbh. That too, its arrangement is good. I mean, although there are difficulties, there will be difficulties because to manage crores of people, it's not a matter of joke. We do face a lot of challenges, even managing just couple of people. So yeah, challenges are there, rewards are there, feelings are there, vibes are there, everything is there. What you need to do, just come here. Although it's very almost coming to an end. Today is 23rd, just 3 more days to go. In 3 days it's going to an end on the eve of Mahashivratri. I'm not sure, it's not yet planned for me as well when to leave here. I just returned last night and I'm yet to explore the beautiful city. As far as the holy dip is concerned at Sangam, yes, I'll be going in a few hours, an hour or so, because I didn't have my breakfast yet. So as far as I come to know, it is I'll have to take a boat that will be charging somewhere around 1,000 per person to take us to the Sangam. Although I can take a dip near any of the ghats that is made for the people to take dip. Let's see how it goes. The crowds are huge, lakhs of crores of people coming every day throughout the night, walking, cycling, with every mode of transport or of themselves. So yeah, I'm pretty excited and to experience all this in my lifetime. And yeah, what a way to come here. Obviously I'll capture anything and everything that comes on my way. I'll try to capture the vibes over here and try to capture the dip, the boat ride, whatever is possible for me to capture. I'll try to capture and present it to you. It's not just for you, it's for me as well, to keep it as a an archive, to make it as a unique thing in my lifetime, where I could make it to Prayagraj all the way from Bangalore. The vibe here is entirely different, entirely. I mean, there are so many people, so many challenges, still they're making it. I did make it, and so to do the lakhs and crores of people. So vibe is entirely electrifying, and I just do not have the right words to express the things, my feelings, and the atmosphere over here.
Hello friends, right now I'm in front of in the market at Prayagraj. So here we are here to buy some clothes like for bathing, some sleepers because it is very much required. Mask that we must take. The shops are being opened, although it is almost 10 o'clock. We'll have our breakfast there in the roadside eateries. So yeah, it's kind of a good one, good experiencing and living all the moments. As you see, these people are, Trichur is buying some clothes for them, and I also buy for something for me as well. And met Himanshu is the guy who helped me a lot in my journey to here. Let me show you the market area. It is just walkable distance, and the same very road is will be congested during night, so we cannot take our bikes or anything. All we have to do is walk and walk and walk. Yesterday Trichur has lost his belongings while coming here. It fell down, so he has to buy some clothes for him, like thermocol and all, thermocot. Right now we are going to have our breakfast, kachori and all that.
Famous
We have
Kamal ka bread
famous
pakora.
Kamal ka bread pakora. So whatever famous here we find out, we'll explore and have it, experience it to the best of it. So this is the breakfast point, Shankar Bhojanalaya. We'll have our breakfast right now. Kachori, pakoda and all that. Hello friends, so we are now roaming around the markets. We had our breakfast and trying to find some clothes. The shops are still closed, so let's see how.
त्रिशूर भैया U-turn.
U-turn, huh?
हाँ, U-turn. वो आगे भी है वहाँ पर. That is also there, sleeper shop.
हमें आगे अच्छी तरह हमें आगे अच्छी.
बस ये sleeper house.
क्या नंबर चाहिए?
We are buying the sleepers to walk and to go for bath and all that. This is very much required. Otherwise, you will struggle. Hello friends, it's 12 in the afternoon and we are off to take the Holy Deep. We are going by walk and from here it's 2.5 kilometers. So this is the final moment for which we have come all the way from different places. Stay tuned. It's a different experience, guys. I cannot express in words how things are going. Wow. As you see, the traffic is there. People are still coming, going. The roads are narrow here in the area where we are. Hello. We have just bought a water bottle with electrolyte powder. It is very much required because by the time we return we'll be so much exhausted. So electrolyte will help us to regain our energy and keep on moving so that we can keep moving. It's quite hot here now. Kind of a scorching. So yeah. See, all people are coming from all the way to the Ghat area for taking Holy Dip. E-rickshaws are there. So people are taking e-rickshaws, going by walk and all that. You see, the people are coming. Most probably they are done. See guys, this is the current scenarios from where we are now. Ghat is 1.5 kilometers from here. So you see all the lassis vagera there. We'll have it after once we are returning. That is Sangam Junction. It is closed as of now. People are all around. I'll show you. This is the current scenario from where we are. You see people are coming all across, going here and there for Hanumanji Darshan, for Holy Deep. See guys, the crowd. Whoa! I'm enjoying it, yaar. Literally, it's a different feeling altogether. whatever people say, the situations, the arrangements and all that, the struggle, but once you come here, it is a different experience altogether, that you cannot have it remotely. You have to come here to experience it and to live it. We are here stopped for a tea break. You see, people are coming all the way from there and going to Sangam Triveni that way. Guys, we have again started after a small tea break. Now from here it's around 600 or 700 meter. The crowd is not here at this moment because most of the crowds are already in Sangam.
Just a shortcut.
Okay, this is a shortcut, because most of the people do not know about this path to the Sangam area. That's what it is bit, close to, less crowded. Yeah, close to now. So it is nothing, whatever you are seeing here.
Wait for some time, we will show you the actual crowd.
Yeah, so we are going there. Definitely, I'll try to capture the actual scenario from there, and you get to feel. Guys, we are entering Sangam area. Har Har Mahadev!
अभी नहीं भीड़ खत्म होगी फिर जाइएगा.
Guys, see the crowd. See, everybody is going for a holy dip. Everybody. You see the craziness of the people? Wow. The feeling is entirely different. Entirely different. ये इधर देखो. Wow. एकदम एकदम. हर हर महादेव. Guys, I don't know what to say. I just wanted to enjoy. I just wanted to feel the vibe. I still am getting out of. I'm losing my words. I'm losing my words. Har Har Mahadev. Yeah. See, guys, we are en route to our holy dip, and we are into the crowd. We are the crowd now. Wherever you see, wherever your eyes goes, it's all crowd. Chalo. Guys, we are into the Mela area. Near Sangam. We need to go take right. So there are crores of people as of now, as you see, but it is still, we are able to walk and all that. The crowd is just, the feelings, the vibe, everything, you name it and it is there. You will forget everything, all the exhaustness and whatever the sufferings you have gone through coming here, you will forget everything literally. See, that is the gate we need to go, and too much dust means because the people are going continuously, so there is no time for the dust to settle down. So we are wearing mask and covering our hands and all that.
And that's Kachha Dwar. So we avoided that much of part of the bead.
Okay.
And we're directly going to the Nandi Dwar.
Someone truly said, one must come here to realize, to feel it. Har Har Mahadev. Guys, we are approaching Nandi Dwar. This is the main entrance to Sangam. So you see, wherever you look, you see crowd all around. Guys, here you will find a lot of stalls, so you don't have to worry about what to drink, what to eat. But there is dust, obviously, because crowds of people working at the same time. So, but in terms of availability of resources, it is available.
मेला एरिया है इस वक्त।
Okay, this is the Mela area. Let me show you.
महाकुंभ मेला दिखा रहा
Ah, okay. That is Mahakumbh Mela 2025, Ma Ganga Nirmal Shankaran Samiti Ganga Sangam. See, this is the gate, Mahakumbh Prayagraj, to enter Mahasangam Triveni. So we are officially entering.
It will open in the evening.
Okay, at Mahakumbh Mela, that one will open in the evening. So we'll come in the evening as well. Har Har Mahadev! There are so many ways to reach Triveni Mahasangam. So basically we are trying to find a way that is less crowded so that we can go easily. I mean, crowd is all over, but again, still we are trying to find and getting there where the crowd is very much less. See, here you still can walk freely,
Now
but
only this road is uncrowded, but we cannot say that there is no crowd.
Correct.
We came from a huge bundle of crowd here. So once we enter, right, there are multiple roads that we can take, but all the roads will come to the same ghat. So don't worry, take any road and come to the same ghat.
so go with the flow. And you will reach the Triveni Sangam. No worries at all.
If you see the sand, it's all the ghat sand. It's not anymore the normal mitti.
Yes, this sand is
चमकीला
all,
चमकीला है।
yeah.
फिर थोड़ी ना, जहाँ वो दोनों गली मिलती है ना, वहाँ आ जाना। ऐसा बोलता है।
See where we are. We are near Sangam.
वहाँ फोटो लेंगे।
See guys, we can see the river flowing in front of us. We are trying to find a suitable spot. Actually, we are trying to head towards the actual Triveni Sangam. Himanshu is helping us a lot on this. People are taking bath wherever they feel comfortable. So yeah, let's see. So this entire stretch is a Sangam. So that is Ganga on my left, whatever you are saying. We are going towards Yamuna. That is straight. The camels are there resting. If you wish, you can take few photos. I don't know guys what to say. I just wanted to, feel and live these moments. See, the little kid is doing balancing. Wow man, what a talent. We are approaching Sangam Dwar. Dwar means door, the gate. And from here you see the crowd. And we are pretty much close to Triveni. So let's enter the Sangam Dwar, the gate of Sangam.
धनराज यादव, सतेंद्र यादव, जहानाबाद के रहने वाले धनराज यादव, सतेंद्र यादव।
नहीं है ना उसमें? Guys, we are near Triveni Sangam. This is where we will try to bath, and we will try to take a dip. Let's see how it goes. Crowd is there, but still it is manageable. You can still move slowly. We are looking for a suitable place where we can, take bath. Crowd is there, no doubt. So people are sitting here and there because they do not, there is no option for them as well. So nothing to complain. It's all fine. We still can move freely. Yes, I would say freely. Let me show you the river where we are going to take bath. The holy dip. See where we are. We have almost effortlessly came all the way to Triveni Sangam. So we are in between Ghat 80 to 120, and we can easily bath here, no problem at all. That is Sangam, okay. Okay, that point I know. I don't know if you can see it. That is the actual Sangam. Har Har Mahadev. Oh, come on, yaar, we made it. So we are right in front of Sangam. We'll take bath now. We'll remove our clothes and
Deep point, the nose point.
we are at the nose point where we will take dip, the holy dip. Chalo, aa jao. Har Har Mahadev.
पहले कपड़ा हम लोग बदले तो तुम निकलो एक लोग पहनना शुरू करो पहले तुम विकास सब क्यों मैं 2 मिनट पकड़ो
Wherever you see, all crowd, and it is, we are having an awesome experience at this moment. I don't know what to say. I just want to experience anything and everything that I'm experiencing right now. I don't know what to say, boss. See guys, we are at the nose point of Sangam. I have taken a holy dip and people are taking this side, that side, any side and every side. You see the flow? Guys, we have taken the holy dip peacefully and with ease, I can say. The experience is awesome in terms of everything. And we didn't get into all the crowd. All the crowds are too much, but still we could manage to come here easily and
Enough space for all the
enough space for all the people to take dip, and they're doing it with ease. So there is no hurry and nothing at all. People are coming here and enjoying their holy dip the way they want. Har Har Mahadev. Guys, we had our holy dip peacefully and freely. Whatever people say, they might have a different experiences, but we also have a different experiences. We came almost effortlessly. We didn't have to wait for long. It was just keep on moving kind of a thing, and we took the holy dip exactly at the Sangam nose point, and that too. Crowd management is awesome. People are managing, and the police, the administration is managing things so nicely. It's Mahashivratri, and there is another, Amrit Snan on that day. I'm not sure if I'll stay till that time. Maybe I'll leave by Tuesday early morning. Let's see how it goes. In the evening, we also come here to have an experience at the nightlife here, because at night it looks so beautiful. I'll try to capture all those moments and show you as it is.